workspace or data hub, choose a data set or data warehouse and select Create Paginated Report. Select the columns that you want in the report from the data pane. I'm creating an inventory report with product name, reorder level, units in stock, and units ordered. I only want the report to contain products that have at least one order against them. Use the filter pane to exclude products with no orders. Place the table wherever you want on the page. You can rename columns by simply clicking into the column name. This will not change the column names in the data model. Add a title to the report by inserting a text box. I name the report Inventory Report and added a subtitle 2023. Add a company logo as desired. Resize the logo. Change the font size of the title and subtitle and add a color that matches your company colors. Move the divider to the location where you want to place the table. Move the table. You can remove the totals row, hide margins, and section divider. The report looks good. The report is now ready to be exported, saved, and shared.